You will never be happy with who you are until you have become who you are capable of becoming. Oprah Winfrey is one of the most successful talk show hosts and producers of all time. But did you know she had a very difficult childhood? She grew up in a poor family and was often bullied at school. However, instead of letting these circumstances define her, she chose to focus on her strengths and use them to create the life she wanted. When she was just 19 years old, Oprah made a decision that would change her life forever. She decided to focus on becoming the best version of herself rather than focusing on her weaknesses. This mindset shift allowed her to overcome any obstacle in her way and eventually become one of the most influential women in the world. Elon Musk is a great example of this concept. As a child, he was bullied and made fun of by other kids because of his unique look and interests. But instead of being defeated by this, he used it as fuel to push himself harder and become the successful entrepreneur he is today. He didn't let anyone tell him what he couldn't do. And now, he's one of the richest people in the world. J.K. Rowling is another person who faced a lot of obstacles but didn't let them hold her back. She was a single mother living in poverty when she wrote the first Harry Potter book. But despite all the challenges she faced, she didn't give up on her dream of becoming a successful author. Now, her books have sold over 500 million copies worldwide and been translated into 80 different languages. These are just a few examples of people who have achieved greatness by focusing on becoming the best versions of themselves. It doesn't matter if you come from a poor family or if people make fun of you. What matters most is how you respond to these situations. If you choose to focus on your weaknesses, you will never be happy with who you are. But if you choose to focus on your strengths and strive to become the best version of yourself, then anything is possible. So here are some secrets to help you transform your mindset and achieve greatness. Secret number 1, don't focus on weaknesses. Everyone has weaknesses, but if you focus too much on them, they will define you. Instead, focus on your strengths and use them to create the life you want. When you focus on your weaknesses, it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. You start to believe that you are not good enough or that you will never be successful because of your weaknesses. This mindset is dangerous because it can cause you to give up on your dreams. Instead, focus on your strengths and use them to create the life you want. Everyone has different abilities and talents, so find yours and use them to your advantage. For example, if you are good at writing, then start a blog or write a book. If you are good at public speaking, then start a YouTube channel or give lectures. Whatever your strengths are, use them to create the life you want. Don't focus on your weaknesses. Instead, focus on your strengths and use them to create the life you want. Secret number 2, learn from failure. Failure is a part of life. Everyone fails at some point, but it's important not to let failure define you. Instead, learn from it and move on. When you fail, don't dwell on it. Instead, ask yourself what you can learn from the experience and how you can use that knowledge to improve next time. This is an important mindset shift that can help you achieve greatness. When you embrace failure as a part of the journey, you become more resilient and better equipped to handle future challenges. You start to see failure not as a setback, but as a valuable lesson that can help you grow and improve. By adopting this mindset, you can learn from your mistakes and come back stronger than ever. You can use the lessons you've learned to make better decisions and take actions that align with your goals. And when you do this consistently, you can achieve greatness. Remember that every successful person has faced failures and setbacks, but they didn't let them define them. They learned from their failures and used that knowledge to achieve their goals. So embrace failure, learn from it, and move on. Secret number 3, believe in yourself. To achieve greatness, you must first believe in yourself. You have to believe that you can achieve your goals and that you are capable of amazing things. If you don't believe in yourself, then why should anyone else believe in you? When you believe in yourself, you are more likely to take risks, try new things, and persevere through tough times. You start to see challenges as opportunities for growth and learning rather than as obstacles that can hold you back. This mindset shift can be a powerful tool for achieving your goals. It allows you to approach challenges with a positive attitude and to stay motivated even when things get tough. But how do you cultivate this belief in yourself? One way is to set realistic and achievable goals for yourself and then work hard to accomplish them. When you set and achieve goals, you build up your confidence and belief in your own abilities. Another way is to focus on your strengths and accomplishments rather than your weaknesses and failures. By celebrating your successes and learning from your mistakes, you can create a positive feedback loop that reinforces your belief in yourself. Secret number 4, do what you love. When you do what you love, you are more likely to be successful. This is because you are passionate about it and you care about the outcome. If you don't love what you're doing, you're more likely to give up when things get tough. It's important to find something that you're passionate about and that you enjoy doing. This is because when you are passionate about something, you are more likely to be successful. Passion is the fuel that drives success. It gives you the motivation to keep going when things get tough and the energy to take on new challenges. So find something that you are passionate about and pursue it with all your heart. Do what you love and success will follow. Secret number 5, be persistent. Persistence is key to achieving greatness. It's the ability to keep going even when you face setbacks and obstacles. When you are persistent, you don't give up easily. You don't let challenges stand in your way of achieving your goals. Being persistent also means that you are patient. You understand that success doesn't happen overnight and that it takes time to achieve your goals. So be patient with yourself and trust in the process. It's also important to be flexible and adaptable. The path to success is not always smooth, and there will be times when you need to adjust your plans. So be willing to make changes and take advantage of new opportunities. Finally, remember that success is not defined by a single moment. It's a journey that requires dedication, hard work, and resilience. So be persistent and never give up on your dreams. In conclusion, these are just a few secrets that can help you transform your mindset and achieve greatness. Remember that everyone has the potential to be great, but it's up to you to unlock that potential. Focus on your strengths, learn from failure, believe in yourself, do what you love and be persistent. And with these mindset shifts, you can become the best version of yourself and achieve your dreams. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, Insightify, and give this video a like. Your support helps us continue to create videos that can change lives. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. What mindset shift changed your life, or what belief are you working on transforming right now? Your story could be the inspiration someone else needs to take the first step toward greatness. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.